Some more Porsches. What the f is this? I don't even know. Is it an armored tank? I'm gonna stab you with my... That's crazy. OG race car right here. What's up, guys? It's Stickers, back with another video. Right now we are on our way to a pre-meet. We are going to RSF, but me and my buddy Emil decided to host a little pre-meet right over. So we are going to be going to the pre-meet. I think we will actually finally be seeing our friend Mary again. She is the pink Ducati. I don't think she's in a vlog with this being pink. I don't think she's ever seen it pink. I think it was only black last time I came down here and rode. So it'll be her first time, so we're going to have the two pink Italians. Every time I see her, makes me think about my old Ducati that was pink, which rest in peace, but, oh, we're going to take it. Ooh, we got the, oh, our ZX10 homie. Alright, alright. What's up? What up, babe? What's happening? So what'd you do last night? I saw your story.
I went to a rave.
Oh, there's a rave down here?
Yeah, like a warehouse rave.
But yeah, no, Liquid IV do be coming in clutch.
Oh yeah, dude. I took a packet last night, and then I woke up this morning and I was like, oh, I'm actually feeling pretty good.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good turnout though so far.
Yeah. I was like, oh, those rides, especially down here. Like, this is that thirsty? I mean, we were empty. My light wasn't on, which is surprising. What's happening? Alright guys, we are about to dip out. Our first event in San Diego, not bad, 2 people showed up. We got our friend Mary, Emil, our boy on the ZX10, so we got a couple bikes here. We're gonna mob up to RSF where JJ is. But like I said, I knew it was probably gonna be pretty small since, one, we have never hosted anything down here, or really hosted in general. I've collabed stuff with other creators, but I've never hosted anything myself, so we'll see. Not too bad. I guess that's a 100% ratio. If 2 of us showed up that hosted it and 2 people showed up, that's 100%. We're solid. But yeah, no, I'll catch you guys once we hit the road. Me and Emil might do our little run in, but what we will be doing is turning off this wheelie control and popping up a little fun. So we'll see how that goes. Got a Ferrari in front of us? Alright. We do got us a beautiful Ferrari in front of us, and it looks like a new CT5V. Not sure if it's a Blackwing or not. Can't tell. I don't know. I don't think there is. I think the only badging for Blackwing is on the inside. So I don't think you're able to tell. And I think the Blackwings, if it's manual, only the Blackwings came in manual too, yeah. And then in front of that there is a C6 ZR1, so we got a little nice lineup right here. Ferrari, CTSV, C6 ZR1, a couple of bad cars with some bad bikes. We got the Italians, no American bike, but then the 2 American cars and the Italian car. But yeah, no, so if this is just a little tease of what RSF is like. Much better to come down here than it is to make them all the way up to San Clem. The San Clem, it's going to be the same thing. We'll probably see a Ferrari. You might see a CT5 up there. Probably will see a C6 ZR1. But yeah, no, hopefully this is just a little tease. And it's a beautiful, like, scenic little route to get here, which is pretty nice. It looks like there's some good cars out. Ooh, F40. Is that a 40, 50? And no, it's an ENZO. Type R. Yeah, CT5V. Oh, it is a Blackwing. Nice. An old Porsche. Yeah, this looks like it's a pretty good event. So far, what it looks like. Oh, C2 Corvette over there. Ooh, Mercy. Oh, yeah. I'm already happier with this than I would be going to Cars and Coffee. Some old Porsches, 911 Carreras. This is like Porsche Row GT3, GT3 RS. Oh, GT2 RS. Oh, my bad, my bad. Put some respect on this man's name. McLaren, a little Bug. Ferrari, 458. A ton of C8s. We'll see if we can find somewhere to park down in the back way. We got Hot Wheels for sale out here. Hey! Some more Porsches. What the fuck is this? I don't even know. Is it Armored Tank? F-Type Lotuses. Before 88. Alright, alright. Alright, yeah, we're gonna go park up and see something old as shit. GT350. I don't know what this is, but it's something old as shit. Looks like some old military vehicle. Yeah, the ENZO's crazy. Did we just copy those other bikes? What do you guys think? Park with the bikes? Ooh, a bag lowered Hellcat. Red Eye? There's a red eye on the wrap. Oh, a STICKERZ.V coupe. That's the first thing we're going to see right now, guys. We're going straight to see the coupe. There's no room over here, Mary. Mary. Mary! There's a spot next to... There's room over there. If you want... Do you want to go there?
I was going to.
Okay. Hopefully he don't have a passenger. If not, it looks like there's enough room. If he tips yours over than this one, and the Gixxer, you're f***ed. But we're safe over there. Yeah, we need more room for my top end to kick in.
Nah.
No, you're quick. That first one, I forgot that wheelie control was off because we were talking about it, so it popped up, and I said, I wasn't prepared for it to pop up. Yeah, my first one came straight up, and then I stayed in it for a second, but then I was like, I don't know how to feather it for racing. I'm so used to wheelie control keeping me at that little bit, so I was like, you know what? I'll just rerun it. We can rerun it. I said, we need more room.
Yeah.
That's a top end bike. Because what do you think you top out at?
Something probably.
Okay, yeah, so I'm in the 2s, but that's where that's better at.
Yeah, we'd have to do like a...
We need more, well, anywhere, like go to San Clem.
Yeah.
Here, we tried to do it there, but what did we get to? 130, 140, I feel?
On the... Just now?
Yeah, that second one. That first one, I don't know what you hit.
I got to like 170.
No, we did not have enough room to hit 170.
I looked.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't pay attention enough then.
Right behind you guys.
Huh?
You guys had to be doing 150 at least, 160.
Okay. I don't think we hit 170. There's no way we hit 170.
Nah, I saw 170.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't think we were going that fast. Not on that one. Yeah, okay, it has the red eye snorkels. Another, is that C6? Yeah, another C6, an older one, something built. This is what we wanted to come see. Has the Corsa. I don't know if it's sport or not, which ones. There's actually not some bad looking wheels. Aftermarket rotors? Why would you change your rotors? Or your calipers, I mean. Because they're forged? Because we come with 6-piston stock. I have this hood at home. I need to get all my lips and stuff back. Yeah, we got to get ours. Ooh, he has the Vader upper and lower intercooler radiator. Yeah, we got to get our baby running again. Let's see where we go from here. The Porsche's up there. This Mercy's crazy. But, alright. Oh, Ford GT. Yeah, there's some crazy things out here today. Yeah, I think that wheelie was higher than the one when I tried to do a wheelie because it scared the shit out of me. That one was high. Yeah. I was like, hey, did you get that on video? Like, hey, did a wheelie. Porsche. Is it an old GT3? Yeah. Mercy. Yeah, this is manual. Nope, it isn't. GTR, Corvette. This is crazy. This is on the dream bucket list of cars one day. Ford GT, SF90. That's the good part about bikes, guys. You get to kind of pull up whenever you want and go from there. Why does that look like Jay Leno in blue? I don't know why. More GT3. Ooh, a new GT3 RS. Decent looking wheels. Way off weight though. That's a lot of wheel weights on there. And I think I saw it's boosted. Yep, Roush supercharged. This is probably Roush. He probably sells warranty, which is nice. But let's keep walking. S650. Like I said, the GT350. Let's go look at the back of this real quick now that there's less people. Let's look at the engine bay. All the old school carbon 1x1 weave. Look at that full carbon chassis. Oh, that's crazy. OG race car right here. It's a little cool. This is the motor I want to put in my 73 Mach 1. Put the Voodoo in it. I feel like this would be a great motor for that car. Clean, clean. I love the color. The light Nardo gray. Porsches. Yeah, this thing is crazy. I'm guessing some old school military fold-up windscreen. I don't know what most of these are. Oh, more old Porsches. The GT2 RS over there, that was crazy. C8 with the hood popped. Doesn't make sense, right? But it's a hood. Or is it a hood or a trunk? Because it still has a trunk. 488. Looks stock. I heard Lotuses are a lot of fun. I've never been in one or gotten to drive one, but I heard they're a lot of fun. Oh, let's look at this weird tank looking thing. They selling Girl Scout cookies outside of it? No thank you. Got a mobile barber shop.
Yeah.
The blacked out looks crazy over there. That Ferrari 458. More Porsches. Something smells good. It must be that place. The cafe. We'll look at this GT3. Go up to that Blackwing Grand Sports. What is it? No, it's a different Mercy. GT3 RS. Z06 Mercy. They got a lot of good cars out here. That's clean. The new one, 992 I think it is or whatever. Let's check out the Mercy over here. Right-hand drive Honda. Manual or not? Nope, not manual. Still clean though. The Beamer Bros. Got the Montana plate. He didn't want to pay that sales tax. This guy. So aggressive. Look at the louvers in the hood vent. In the fenders, carbon hood. I think it has fans. Yeah, there's fans right there pulling through the air. Crazy. It is a Blackwing. Nice, nice. Still has the LT4. I think it's 650 horsepower, 650 torque, which is insane. I don't think it... Is it manual? And it's a manual. This is pretty much the rarest of rare GM cars you can get right now. Looks like we got ourselves like Beamer gas station. New M2s. I think to be able to park in this gas station, you have to have a BMW. This wrap's pretty dope over there. Manual. Yeah, you gotta have a Beamer to park here, or a Porsche. This is a sick color if it's not wrapped. No, it's painted. Satin like gray. ZL1. Ooh. He has a couple things. He has a wild cash can, so if you need to breathe that much, he's probably making some good power. 102 throttle body. He could be pushing, what size pulley is that? 2.4. Can't tell. Does he have a lower? Looks like it's a lower pulley too. So he could be in the 1000s. He has everything too. Upper pulley, lower pulley. Depending on what size his lower is, probably. Because they changed all of his lines to 12 AN to be big enough. He could be close to 1000. Got a nice little SVJ. This guy was mobbing. He flew past us. It's tiny. Now this is clean. Old school GTR. Right hand drive. I don't know. Is it 34? 33? I don't know, guys. I think it's 34. Yeah, this is clean. The gloss black wheels with the gloss black paint. We got two clean old school Porsches over here, so I wanted to come check them out. This green one, whatever this 911 is right here, looks pretty dope. Ooh, okay, got a little rev. Carrera RS. Not sure what this green one is, but this green one is clean. Got little headlight covers, an old school turbo. There's a windshield wiper in the back. Clean, clean. Little Busa parked up next to us. Some Gixxers. I think the Gixxers are actually here. I guess this is a special edition, like 25th anniversary Busa or something like that. Big body. It's definitely big. Comes with Brembos, which is nice. No. Oh, Brian 636. Oh. No, the craziest one was that dude that strapped the fireworks to it and popped the wheelie and was shooting fireworks in the air. That was the craziest wheelie I've ever seen. I've seen some people loop these. It ain't nearly as bad if you loop a real bike. So you definitely got to be smart. And the
41s.
Huh?
Sucked.
Yeah. No. Most of the time when if you do loop a bike or crash a bike, it's 50 plus, and then you got 400 pounds flying at you.
I know. I remember once I was just heading up my driveway and I was swinging my feet. My foot got caught in here.
Oh.
Flying forward.
That sounds painful.
It was still stuck in there, so the bike kind of went with me and landed on my back.
Yeah, that doesn't sound fun.
Yeah.
That does not sound too fun.
How do you like this?
Oh, pretty ridiculous. It's like basically. Yeah?
It's slow.
Oh, is it?
Slow.
We're rerunning it, but we're going to 180. 190. 60 to 190. That's usually what when I do rolls. 60 to 180, 190.
What's your dream bike, do you think?
dream bike would probably be, it's an Aprilia, it's called an X-Trenta, so it's not street legal, but it weighs, it's pretty much the lightest bike you can buy and one of the most power. So it's a special edition race only Aprilia that comes in like a purple, has a big huge wings on the side, but yeah, it's an Aprilia RSV4 X-Trenta.
I'd probably get like a 636 or 304.
Okay, yeah, 636s.
Continue, but I don't know, they're like stunt bikes.
Yeah, my buddy that has an R1, that's his next bike. He's a big stunter, one of my friends, and he wants to buy that exact 636.
Yeah, and then if I could get that, because they're like so rare. It's
Yeah, they're nearly, like I said,
1,000 or
yeah, there's a couple. My buddy was here earlier on an S1000. He was here on a red one earlier.
yeah. So my sermon, I'm going crazy around here, and I can't ride it on the streets anymore because cops.
Yeah, there's some new law, right? You're not supposed, you can't like, aren't you supposed to need like a license or something for them?
Yeah, now you need a license, they have to be registered, so
That's
my
crazy.
got caught.
Ready?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. Oh, she's still, yeah, that's crazy.
And there was like $1,000 ticket.
Really? That's,
Yeah.
yeah, I thought I saw something about you needing a license, which is, I think, kind of ridiculous, but some of the shit you guys be doing on these, you probably should have a license before.
Yeah, my friend has an upgraded one that goes about 100-ish.
That's ridiculous. On a little electric bike.
Last weekend, the cop tried to get him, and then another one blocked him off up there.
Did he get away?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna start this so I can let it warm up. Alrighty, we'll have a good one.
Yeah.
Who's this?
We're gonna tag along?
I don't care. We're going to eat somewhere. We're going to go eat somewhere by the beach. I don't know exactly. I'm just following them. Yeah.
For sure, man.
I don't care. See ya. We got one more. This S1K is going to just join. This guy's going to join us. He's friends with Mary.
Oh, okay.
Almost died right now, guys. I don't know if you guys were able to see it. That bee flying by. But I'm allergic. That guy almost tried to kill me. But, alright, we're out of here. I will say this is definitely an event I will be coming back to. Probably one of the better events. It's actually probably the best event I've been to down here. So we will definitely be back. That was a beautiful ENZO. There was 2 Ford GTs, I think 2 Z01s, a CTSV, a Blackwing, a CT5V, a ton of cool cars. RH, loved it. It was a great event, but we are going to ride out right now, go grab us some food, and go from there. Frying that clutch. Should I get Mary's kill switch right now, guys? This man just runs every red light possible. Alright, we are here. We got us some good eats, had us a nice little chicken sandwich. I'm gonna stab you with my... You want me to take it?
No.
Hit me, son, hit me! Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. It was a nice, fun little event. Us going to Rancho Santa Fe Cars and Coffee. Definitely one of, if not the best event I've been down here. Down here. Dainese is right here. We might do another vlog today. Let's go shopping at Dainese and riding with a 2025 R1. One of our friends has a brand new R1. And we might go ride around with her after we shop here at Dainese real quick. So I'll catch you guys in next week's video if that's where it is. If not, I'll catch you guys later. Much love. Deuces. Oh.